Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Asad and I will teach you chapter number 2 kinematics. Today is our first lecture, so let's proceed further. So, in order to begin chapter number 2, let's have a short recap from chapter number 1. So, we know that there are many branches of physics, electricity, magnetism, atomic, nuclear, and waves. It is a tradition all over the world that we study first mechanics and then thermodynamics, electricity, then and so on, and at the end we nuclear and atomic physics. So today we have two objectives. After studying this lecture, you will be able to elaborate the two branches of mechanics, and after that the second objective is that you will learn that there are the two states of the object. Either the object is in a state of rest or in state of motion. So let's start. Kinematics is the branch of physics which deals with the study of motion of object without its cause. We encounter with the distance covered by the object, the initial and final speed, the time taken to travel to distance, that but without its cause, that is said to be a kinematic. And there is other branch of mechanics, which I say the sub branch of mechanics, which deals with the study of motion of object and its cause. Usually the force is responsible for the motion of the object. So when a force is also included to study, that is said to be dynamics. Move further. So either when you study the object in mechanics, the object is either in a state of rest or in a state of motion. These two things are defined as when an object does not change its position with respect to its environment, with respect to its surrounding, then object is said to be in state of rest. And when the object changes its position again and again with respect to its surrounding, then the state of the object is said to be in motion. So here are the two examples. You can give many examples from your daily life. So the summary of the today's lecture is that we have learned about the kinematics. Kinematics is the branch of mechanics in which we study the object in motion without its cause, and the object is either the two state, either in the state of rest or motion. So when it does not change its position, that is said to be rest. When it changes its position, that is said to be in motion. So next is that stay safe and stay at home. You will say goodbye.